Okay, so we're going to make a box and whisker plot now. We've already talked about kind of how to read a box and whisker plot, but we're going to make our own. So we've got make a box and whisker plot for this data of study hours per week. So we can see here, this is maybe we'll say college students and how many hours they study per week. We can see it ranges on the low end from 10 all the way up to 31. So we're going to make a box and whisker plot. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a number line. I can see it goes from 10 to 31, so I'll start at 10 and maybe I'll go by fives. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I've got a number line. You can kind of decide on the increments and how you want to do it. So then what I'm going to do is, I already know, to make a box and whisker plot, there's 5 things we need to figure out. The low value and the high value, those are easy. Those are given to us right there. Then we also need the median, and then the lower quartile and the upper quartile. So let's start with the low value. We can see the low value is 10. So I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to put a line there. I'm going to label it 10. It's always nice to label these just because you're putting it on top of a number line. It's not necessarily easy to tell exactly where it is. I can see my high value right here is 31. I'm going to put a line right there where I think 31 is. I'm going to label it 31. Next, I'm going to find my median. Now, we're lucky that these are all numbered in order. Sometimes you might be given a problem where they're not numbered in order from least to greatest. If they're not, you have to do that first. You cannot make a box and whisker plot without that. I put them in order from least to greatest, honestly, just to save time in making this video, so you didn't have to watch me put them in order from least to greatest. So let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. So if I did 11 divided by 2, that's 5.5. So I go up. The 6th number is going to be my middle number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 22 is going to be my median. So I'm going to, at 22, I'm going to put a line. Put a line at 22. So next, now I've got to find my lower quartile. Can you hold on a second, please? Ben, I'm recording a video. Sorry about that. I'm back. He was yelling at his echo upstairs. That's wonderful. So now I need to find the lower quartile. The lower quartile is the bottom half of the data. So when you take your median, it's everything below the median is what you're going to find the median of, basically. So lower quartile is the median of the bottom half of the data. So there's 5 numbers there. So if I work my way to the middle, 16 is going to be my lower quartile. So I'm going to put a line above 16. I'm going to label it. Now I've got to find my upper quartile. That's the median of the top half of the data. So everything to the right of the median. So there's 5 numbers there. So my middle number is 26. So I'm going to put a line above 26. And now I'm almost done. I just got to draw it in. The middle 3 lines make the box of your box and whisker plot. They make that middle 50%. And then you just draw a line connecting. And we've successfully made a box and whisker plot. All right, I got one more.